tangled wires, not enough ports, chaos everywhere. Folks, we're not in the dark ages anymore. Pinruis enters the arena like a multitasking powerhouse, delivering sockets, speed, and style, all in one ultra-wide wonder. We've got a multi-socket splitter with RGB backlight action. Because utility should still look good doing it. Docking station. Oh, you better believe it, with transfer speeds that leave thumb drives in the dust. And then there's the screen, a 14-inch expansion beast, running at 60 hertz with 4K clarity so crisp it practically snaps. Take notes during meetings, edit, game, or pretend you're working, all while enjoying built-in audio that hits as hard as your deadlines. Split screen display. That's 2 tasks, 1 screen, no mercy. Pinruis, for those who need more space, more power, and absolutely no more dongle drama. Follow us to join the community of innovators.